There's no way.
What?
There's no way.
You're gonna make it, Travis. Why are you so scared? You're on camera right now, just so you know. Are you scared?
For him.
Alright you guys, really quick before we get today's video started, if you guys haven't watched last week's video, make sure to go check it out. It's going to be part 1, of course, and then come back to this one. It'll make a lot more sense. Trust me, you're not going to want to miss it anyway. So let's get back to this video.
No way.
What?
There's no way.
You're gonna make it, Travis. Why are you so scared? You're on camera right now, just so you know. Are you scared?
For him.
Nah, you guys will be fine.
Are you sure?
100%. Pour low, right? Yeah. Okay. Slowly, but start going straight. Okay, go ahead. You all right? Yeah, you're good. While you come up, go driver. While you driver. Driver is this way. This way. Now, slowly back up. Passenger. Slowly. Okay, stop. Okay. Driver, while you come up. Okay, go and keep going a little driver. Come up and driver. Driver. Going. About right now. Okay. How do you feel, Travi? Stuck? Damn. And so what kind of winch are you going to be using right now?
It's an automotive super winch. 12,000 pounds. I got the controller in the back.
And it's Bluetooth, correct?
Bluetooth.
Hell yeah, it's gonna be nice and easy. All right, slowly give it a little bit of gas, okay? And turn to your right. Turn it, turning. Go. Keep going, go a little bit. I think he's good from there. Yeah, you're good. See? Easy. Okay?
Easy little pull out, we're good. My truck's stuck though.
It's not fun. Man. Shout out to Super Winch. I give it to you for trying.
Hey, I'm having fun though.
And you're trying.
Yeah.
How do you feel?
I feel great. You know, besides a $1,300 bumper going kaplooey.
Yeah.
But you know, at least it's not like $3 grand like yours was.
So you're gonna hit up your boy to like remake it? Or?
Nah, I'm just gonna paint over it.
Are you gonna paint over it? It's all fine?
Yeah. Battle scars. That way I can tell people like I went to, and what is this?
The Gold Mountain?
I can tell people I took a RAV4 to Gold Mountain. Yeah, I had to get pushed like 8 times, but...
Only 8? Just kidding. You'll be fine, sir.
It's like when you pray to God, I pray to Jesse. Well, even though you're not helping me.
So I'm your God?
Yeah.
I'm recording, okay? Keep it driver for now. Okay, go. Driver. Keep it driver. There you go. There you go. You're gonna have to keep that line. Alright. You're up and over. Keep it there. A little bit driver, okay? When you come up the rock. Keep going. Keep going. You're good. Eso es todo, Eric. Damn.
Nobody ever talks about all the hiking that goes off.
I know when that goes off with off-roading. It's a lot of hiking. Yo! How do you feel, Trevi?
Pretty scared.
Are you scared?
Yeah.
But did you have fun?
From 1 to 10, how scared are you?
10. 20.
Jeez. Steve,
What's up?
so tell me how you're feeling so far.
I'm feeling great.
You're in a RAV4
Yeah.
at Gold Mountain. I think you're probably the first RAV4 to ever make it up here, you know that?
Imagine if I had something with 4-wheel drive.
I think you'd be unstoppable if I'm being quite honest.
Yeah, because, you know, I'd have 40s and front solid axles because, you know, I just got it like that somehow.
Why don't you just like get rid of the RAV and maybe switch up to like, you know, a Tacoma? Or,
I'm poor. I just make it look like I have it online because, you know, that's what all social media is, you know, faking it till you make it. But really, I'm not making it. I'm just like I'm just depriving myself of like, you know, common life things that you need, like bills, food, and such.
So like if you're faking it and you're not making it, how are you affording that RAV4 that's fully built?
Hey, you know.
Because people wish they had that RAV4. If they want a RAV4, that's probably how they felt.
I don't know. There's like other RAV4s on the internet that I think people like more.
I don't know. I think yours looks just way better. Steve,
Look how much farther back my wheel is.
yeah. Steve, what just happened?
I don't know. I'm just faking it again.
And why is it that bad?
Hey, you know, my alignments, but something is bent though. That wheel shouldn't be that far back.
Yeah.
You see that? I used to have a lot more.
RAV4 for the win. All right, looks like everybody's here. Your tires are too big. All right, let's keep going.
What is up, you guys? I'm RAVventure, as you know, or Steve. We just did, what was it, Jesse?
Gold Mountain.
Gold Mountain. As you guys know, if you have been here, this is a 4x4 trail.
And it's rated as hard on all trails.
Yeah, I just kind of went for it because, you know, you got to sometimes. But it's okay because I had Jesse and I had other people here helping me out for the tougher stuff. For an all-wheel drive car, definitely don't do it if you're by yourself. But if you have 4-wheel drive with decent clearance, I would say, you know what, go for it, try it out. Some of the guys here that came with us, they didn't seem like they were having that much hard of a time. You know, just some spots you do got to take it a little bit slower than others, and other parts you do got to go through the bypasses. As far as for me personally, this for sure is a 10. But I think if I did have like a 4-wheel drive vehicle, something with a little bit more clearance, like this Tacoma, it'd probably be like an 8, which is still high up there.
Hell yeah. And that you're rating it as 1 being easy to 10 being hard?
No, the other way around.
The other way, so 10 easy?
Yeah.
I don't think so. All right then, cool. Well, thanks for your opinion.
What's going on, guys? We just finished doing the Gold Mountain Trail. It's rated as hard. I think it's more of a medium, proper spotter. I think anybody can make it. I definitely recommend everybody with sliders checking it out at least, you know. And definitely a fun trail to check out.
Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Juan. Just finished doing the Gold Mountain Trail here with Jesse and the rest of the guys. Had a fun-ass time, really good day. Overall, I would rate this trail intermediate. I wouldn't rate it as hard as everybody else says it was. But, you know, taking the right lines and having a good group of guys with you and people to help you out, it just made it so easy. I'm surprised what these Toyotas can do. I have the Sport, and I got a locker, and I'm only on 33s, and I made it just fine. It's all good. Can't wait to come back.
Hell yeah. All right, you guys, so now we finished up with Gold Mountain out here in Big Bear, California. It was super fun. I want my friend Travis to kind of talk a little bit about it, just because he's never done something like this. So what do you think?
All right, so yeah, my truck's a little standard at the moment. Taking up through these rocks and these pretty crazy offshoots were pretty nuts. Scraped up my rear bumper, but it's what it's built for.
Hell yeah.
It's crazy.
Do you recommend any like newbies to come out here?
No.
Good.
No.
All right, because I wouldn't either. Someone has to be somewhat experienced at least to come out here, and you do need some high clearance and probably sliders and skids. So I'm surprised he actually made it out, and no problem. I mean, you just got a little scrape on your bumper, but no problem. We saw Steve with a RAV4. Go follow him on Instagram. Let's get him to 1,000 followers on Instagram. So yeah, he actually made it through here, which I don't recommend RAV4s coming through here, if I'm being quite honest. You're just gonna have to winch all the way up. Don't do it. But it was cool watching it. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
That good or that looks stupid?
No, you look sexy.
All right, thanks.
JesseRizo is here for you. It's here for you. Na na na. Like super simple. Please feel free to subscribe.